Alright people, and this is the very first review from Slew Music Mix-Up. And if you don't know what Slew means St. Lucia Music Mix-Up. And I will be bringing to you the latest update in everything to do with St. Lucia, Everything from the deep secret that the artists and them keeping and to the big promotion them the artists and them get. Anything to do with producer, music, carnival, name it. Anything Lucian, find it on this channel. Now, in today's review, we'll be touching base on some key points, I want to ask you, the people, them some questions, And also, we will be reviewing a couple new artists, upcoming artists from St. Lucia, Yeah, man. You have to get familiar with them, subscribe to them channel, check them out on Facebook, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean? Hook them up on your Google, so, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Support the vibe. No story. Support the vibe. Full 100, Yeah, man. Now, before I introduce one of the artists them on the review, I would like to ask you, the people, them a question. Do you think that you, the people, them, you, the supporters, them, giving the St. Lucian artists, whether it could be soca, dancehall, reggae, whatever genre it may be, do you think that you, the people, you, the supporters, giving to them artists the required support that they need from you guys, the required love that they need from you guys? Do you feel like you guys playing your part? Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the vibe, for future uploads and, future music, future videos from St. Lucia, Yeah, man. Now, before we go further into the review, let me introduce the first artist then. But before me introduce the first artist then, let me apologize for the quality, because we're not there in studio right now. Right now, we just building up this new movement. So right now, they're working on home, on my phone, on my laptop, on my different various, what I got at my disposal right now, But in time, the thing I go broad, the thing I go bigger, where a studio and better quality and thing, But don't mind the quality, mind the vision, mind the movement, study the movement, and the message I'm trying to bring across. Now, in this third review, we have this artist named Bronx. I don't know if you are too familiar with him, but you'll have to get familiar with him, You check him out on Facebook, check him out on Instagram, follow him on Instagram, Bronx Pon Scene. Follow him on Facebook, Bronx Pon Scene. Also, Kevin Victor, if you, check him out on Facebook, people. Subscribe to his channel, like the vibe, push the vibe. The youth, they bad, me tell you. Bad. Now, he just dropped a brand new single for St. Lucia Carnival 2020. Yo, this is one of the first set of songs, for St. Lucia Carnival 2020. And if this is how St. Lucia Carnival are going to start, trust me, people, it's going to be mad. It's going to be shellings. Trust me, people, it's going to be crazy. Because this first release from Bronx, yo, I definitely going to make you know this Carnival 2020 in St. Lucia are going to be crazy, Preview the video, listen to it, leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, people. Support the movement. Alright, so people all around the world, this one is Bronx featuring Ambi Wook. Yo, crazy! That one them mad!
Eagles out. BPS.
Yo, Bronx
Crazy.
featuring Ambi. Yo, no doubt, that one them back.
Hey, Bronx Pon Scene.
Great start for St. Lucia Carnival, guys. Keep up the good work.
Listen, when we talk, cause right now the place about to get mad up.
I say, listen, when we talk. Right now, every girl I go get bang up. Two from. Take position. On the counter. On the floor. Back at man.
Bend down, girl. Down on the ground, girl. Open up your leg, girl.
She wanna ride it. The Kawasaki, yeah, she like it. The Translap, she wanna pop it. The way she pop it, she could roll it. Roll it. Tout femme. Take position. On the counter. On the floor. Back at man.
Bend down, girl. Down on the ground, girl.
Well done, guys. Round of applause. Big tune. Now, people, that was Bronx, one of St. Lucia's upcoming artists, Yeah, man, this is St. Lucia's very best, Uprising young talent, The youth deserve some acknowledgement, The man are doing research, And the man are push himself, The man are do his thing, And he do it good, Yeah, man, the lyrics well put together. Yeah, man, and he coming together with Ambi on this brand new single for St. Lucia Carnival 2020. Yo, people, the thing just started, The thing started for hyping, people. So, St. Lucia Carnival are going to be crazy, People, support the vibe. Support the vibe. People, push the Bronx Pon Scene. Check out the youth there on Instagram, Bronx Pon Scene. Check out the youth them YouTube channel, Bronx Pon Scene. Facebook, his name is Kevin Victor, Check out the youth them, Now, before me end this first ever review from Slew Music Mix-Up, let me leave you with something, Enough time, we people, don't press the youth them and say that the youth them do nothing good in them life, The youth them only do a rob, kill, and steal, But when the youth them a try to do something good, we not give them the support, you know. People, support the youth them, you know. Cause it's not easy to go up on a stage and to perform and you guys stand up there like lamp post or some kind of post, you know. You know, want to move, you know, people. The youth them have to build up them courage, you know, to do that, you know. The youth them willing to change them life for the positive, you know. People, did you ever think that them youth them a go rob and steal? Shoot them not get the support and them help that them need, you know. The youth them a want to do something positive, but them not get the forward. Them not get the help, you know, people. Listen what me I tell you, know. Think about it. Leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Yo, people, and if you have a review that you want me to touch base on, you know, send it up in the Gmail, slumusicmixup@gmail.com, people. Don't forget to subscribe, follow the vibe, like the support movement. The vibe, push the vibe. Remember, unity are everything, you know. And without you, you think can't go forward, you know, people. I'm mad thing that. I'm out.